trying to maintain my lane wherever it is. And the snow keeps coming and going as far as if it's on the road or not. And I'm just trying to stay in the snow because I only have one set of drives chained, which works for me. Other than that, there's just been a lot of people that are stuck. So far so good. It's not a graveyard out here yet, but it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's very, Mother Nature is very fierce. Going to the hub to work. We're going to work, and it's freaking freezing outside. There's snow everywhere, and I'm like, I only need to go one exit down, so I'm hoping that I can just stay over in the side and just piddle my way down there, and then get some fuel, hook up our set, put some chains on while we're in the yard, and then get out of here. Because right now looking like a crapshoot. Right now I have my differential locked in, so I'm not going to go over 20 miles an hour, but I'm just going to try to get my way down here. Might have to unlock it, because I don't want to drive too fast on it. No, I'm gonna just stay slow. There's not that many people out here, and they shouldn't be going that fast anyways, unless they got chains on. I don't see anybody having chains on, so I think we're okay. Oh, do I look funny in my beanie? I put all my hair up here, which probably wasn't a good idea because now my neck is cold. I need a scarf at the same time. Whew. My windshield wipers don't work yet, so I gotta clean those off. And we're just trying to get on down there as slow and carefully as we can. Please work. I need to put my gloves on before my fingers fall off. Oh, you can't even see the path. Cold fingers. This is very slippery. Just need rubber ends on these. Woo! Try not to get water in here. Go to the other side. Extra hard. Look at her icicle! You see this? We got an icicle. Boop. Okay, so usually I don't have my hair down when I hook up because it gets in my mouth and stuff, but I'm so cold right now, I need something to like block the wind. So, whew. But I think today, on our way here, since we were using the differential already and everybody was going really slow and there's a FedEx stuck on the ramp and like some other trucks stuck elsewhere, I'm gonna go ahead and chain up a couple of sets, like one on the drives and one on the trailer, and I'm gonna try out these really awesome new chains today. So, whew, I can't wait for you guys to see them. They're so cool. It's cold outside. So I guess we'll finish fueling and then we'll go inside, get our hook up. I don't know if we have 2 trailers or 1 trailer today, but I'm guessing probably 2. Yay. I guess they're stuck, so I'm gonna go give them a shovel and see if it helps. And this is why I'm gonna be putting on chains. because those people, they're behind us now, are stuck, I'm not gonna leave them there. They accidentally drove into the grass. So, gonna get them out. Just need to get something to tow them out with. I don't have a strap on this truck, but I do have one in my car, but I'm gonna go over to the shop and see if they'll let me borrow one for a second. If not, I'll have to go get it out of my car, but I talked to Line Haul about it. They're cool. Everything's just really crappy today. And I'm gonna make sure that everybody's chained before we leave, and including myself. And that's just the plan. Our load is actually a 53 to Toledo. So we're gonna go to Toledo today, which is interesting. I guess the weather is snow all the way, as far as I know right now. So today's gonna be a fun one, right? Right? It's gonna be a fun day. She's already having a good day. I already know it. Okay. Hello? So I've helped my team chain and made sure that they know what they're doing, and then the people that were stuck originally, I went to go get all the stuff to pull them out, and I even put my tow hooks in, and they managed to get out themselves, which I'm really impressed. And because they were sunken in the dirt pretty far, so like their drives were like, they didn't have any weight on them, so it couldn't pull them out. Anyways, they got out, and then they had never chained before, so I showed them how to chain, and now that I have done 2 trucks, I'm now gonna do my own, and I have some chains that I'm really excited to use. I've never used them before, but they're supposed to be amazing. So my gloves are practically clean from the snow, so I'm excited. So let's just, oh man, it's cold outside. Let's just get this done. I feel like we're in a blizzard right now, which I think we are, and it's cold, and let's just get this done, right, Dakota? I would let you outside, but you don't know where the grass is, so you would think it's all playground. This is why you need a chain rack. I think this is all I need right now, so I don't actually need these. And we won't worry about the bungees until later because there's more chains on top of them, and we got to chain a trailer, so just worry about them later. Let's just do these 2. Okay, for everybody's info, this is the brand of chains that I have. They're called Kodiak, and they're made in the USA. Very heavy. Okay. So when you pull them out of the bag, which these have been out of the bag for a while, when you first pull them out of the bag, I swear, pulling them out of the bag is like pulling money out of a bag. They're so shiny and so pretty, and let's see how they work. I don't have the cam tool for this one, but alright. Alright, I'm gonna need to put them on the other side. Oh, no, I lied. Wow, I can't see today. tidbits that I guess I've learned from doing this too many times. You really want to make sure if you're not in a rush, you can lay them out so that way you can see if they're tangled at all. And the way to see if they're twisted is to kind of lay them out and pull them apart, because if they're twisted, they're not going to, I think these are twisted, they're not going to lay right. And you want to fix it before you get it on the truck, so that way when you lay them down, they do what they're supposed to do. All right. I try to lay mine out the way I'm gonna put them on the tire. Okay, the two things that I look for is, if I'm gonna put these on this tire right here, I'm gonna make sure that my cams are on the outside of the tire and that my little hooks here are facing up. So that way when I pick them up from this side and I put them up over the tire, everything's set up. Slack down here on this side that you're going to roll back on, enough so that when you put these hooked ends, when you put them like this against the tire, they stay there. These are going to be a little short right now because if I try to put this hook in through the tires over here and then try to pull this one, oh no, they might stay. What you want to do is you want to kind of make it so that when these roll back, they go on the tire the way you want them to and they don't run over the chains on the sides, because then you're going to have a hell of a time trying to hook them up. Alright, I might give it a little bit more. Getting a little cold from doing this. Alright, I'm going to drag these to the other side. So I thought I was going to Toledo. That's wrong. I'm actually going to North Dakota. The trailer's going to Toledo. And anyways, I had to give my bungees away to my other truck because I forgot to put bungees on that truck. And I always talk funny because my mouth is kind of like, it's not there yet, like it's frozen. But these new chains, so easy to put on. And I don't know if it's because I had already chained 2 other trucks, but these chains, I don't know why. It was just, I really like them so far. And they don't have any bungees on them at the moment. So I'm going to run up to the TA. Hopefully they're not sold out of bungees and I can get some at least for the drives. I'm not chaining the trailer even though it's required in Oregon to chain the trailer. But there's no chain law right now. So I'm just using what I need to get down the road, and then if we need to chain more later, which we will when we get to Cabbage probably, that's when I'll use the other set. So let's just see what we need to do now and get on our way, right? Right, Papas? Right? Yeah, I know. Look at your little bandana, it's so cute. Cutie pie bandana. You see that, guys? Got her name on it. Dakota! There we go. Good girl. Good girl. I know. Okay, let's get going. So I'm gonna go, we're at the TA now, I'm gonna go get some bungees out of the shop. It's gonna be interesting today because people are already pushing people around and people are getting stuck, and it's just gonna be a fun day. I think I'm gonna clean off the wipers because I think they got snow stuck to them, so they're not wiping very well. Might replace them. I don't know. We'll see what today holds, but it's definitely gonna be an interesting day, that's for sure. So, see you guys in a little bit. Well, we're at the Walmart now, parked, because while I was at the TA, one of my teams called me and let me know that 84 is closed where they are, which is only like 15 miles up the road, and it's an unofficial closure at this time, so it's not on the site, the DOT site. So I decided to come back here to Walmart to park the truck because there's other trucks here. I don't know if you can see them or not. My car is parked across the street, so I'm gonna get the car and go to Chipotle and get some food because it seems like everybody's closing up because of the storm. Like Walmart here isn't even open, which is crazy. Anyways, gonna go do that, get some food.
The store is actually closed.
Yeah, the store is closed. Good job. I'm waiting for my team to give me the go-ahead that they've opened the road back up, and I'll be on the way. But for now, I'm going to use my time wisely and not sit on the interstate doing nothing. Okay, now that we're back with Chipotle, which I have my burrito right here, little baby burrito. It's a fat burrito. Anyways, just gonna set them back down. They turned around my other team, they canceled their load, so they're turning around. The interstate's back open. I still gotta go to North Dakota. So we're gonna get on our way because the sun's going down and we need to get going. Ain't that right, puppers? Ain't that right, puppers? So we're gonna get going and hopefully it's not too bad. Catch some road scenes on the way out, and hopefully the sun doesn't leave us too soon. I just wanted to show you this, so. This one's leaking a little bit right here, which doesn't make any sense to me. This one's leaking pretty bad. Same thing for this one, it's leaking as well. You can hear it. See our lights? That's it. Straight ice.